Hey guys, Chris here with Zero, here with Dennis Kirk's product spotlight of the day. It's the LED headlight bezel. This will fit your bat wing fairings on your Harley models. Fills in the squared off opening around your round headlights. Those like to collect with bugs and other debris, it's always hard to clean. So we've created a nice piece in chrome or in vivid black to match the OE paint line. And of course, we threw in our LED lights around that headlight to give you a little extra going down the road. Fully plug and play, lifetime LED warranty. Again, fitments from 96 to 13 and also from 14 on up. Our latest models include the LED turn signals on the side, fully integrated switchbacks from white running light to an amber turn signal. Available from DennisKirk.com.